Ayun, sa magpapalang araw sa lahat mga kaibigan. To this video ay graduation ng Cabanatuan National High School. At panoorin nyo ang kaganapan ngayon dito mga kaibigan. Let's go! Mga kaibigan, ang kaganapan dito ngayon sa Cabanatuan National High School kung saan ginaganap ang 18th graduation ceremony. Dito ngayon nagaganap sa bayan ng Cabanatuan. Tara na!
And their enthusiasm for the welfare of our native land. Where are the youth who will pour out their blood to wash away so much shame, so much pride, so much abomination? Where are the youth who will embody themselves the vigor that has left our veins, the purity of ideas that have contaminated our
So ngayon mga kaibigan, napakarami ng gagraduate ngayon sa oras na to.
Years later, the owner of that voice died without seeing the dawn, through the gloom of the night and the peril of the day. Although our national hero has long been dead, but the message that is appealed to the Philippine youth is gradually attaining its realization. Because today, the Cabanatuan National Comprehensive High School is turning to our youthful graduates.
Ladies and gentlemen, here are the youth who will consecrate their golden hours, their dreams, and their enthusiasm for the welfare of their native land. Here are the youth who will pour out their blood to wash away so much shame, so much pride, so much abomination. Here are the youth who will embody in themselves the vigor of life that has left our veins, the purity of ideas that have contaminated our earth.
Here are
Itong gagraduate natin mga kaibigan ay nasa mahigit 1,000 siguro.
Cabanatuan National Comprehensive High School, home Rizal Family Home, the prayer home of our fatherland. Behold, our youthful graduates, beaming with joy and pride, as they march together with their parents for the very reason for their graduation today. Look at our young graduates, representing the new breed of Filipino youth who have emerged victorious in their quest for secondary education because of their total devotion, enthusiasm, and determined to bring so much more in the fountain of knowledge. For 6 arduous years, they taught their secondary education to the effective tutelage of their teachers, the unceasing support of their parents, and the bountiful blessing and guidance of our Heavenly Father. And so today, here they are, marching with joy and pride, together with their parents, before they receive the lifetime testimony of their success in their pursuit for secondary education.
Ladies and gentlemen, behold the members of Class 2024 of our school. Behold the hope of our nation, the future leaders of our country. Look at them in their white graduation attire, symbolic of the purity of intentions and the nobility of their desire of these youthful graduates lies the future of our country.
Tomorrow, these graduates will leave the portals of their beloved alma mater, the Kapatuan National Comprehensive High School, to continue their quest for higher education. Definitely, these graduates will face more difficult trials, explore wider horizons, and cross new frontiers. However, they are ready.
Sweaty Angel Grace Peak with high honors. Daniego Janelle R. with high honors. Vicente Kirstin Yana L. with high honors. And Viva Maria Fiona Avilor I. with high honors. Congratulations.
It is my honor to present to you the graduates of grade 12 honors under the academic track Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand for the school year 2023-2024, starting with Ascension John Martin with honors. Botto Ken
Alvaro Joseph Kyle C. with high honors. Albarza Harden Faith Antonio Maynard S. with honors. Arkham Heridian S. with honors. Vilmira Wesley C. with honors. Bizarre Riza Marie L. with honors. Camino Fernando B.P. with high honors. Castilla Julian Marie B. with honors. Cordon Joy May M. with honors. Denusa Winjoy D. with honors. Loyesco Dalika C. with honors. Elian Golden Base O. with high honors. Lawrence May Princess A. with honors. Formon Carlito L. with honors. Laganyan Jen Marie L. with honors. Herona Mayfair L. with honors. Laganya Maylin J. with honors. Navarro Natasha Marie L. with high honors. Lego with ASC with honors. Liliano Katrina G. with honors. Blue Maria Elisa May C. with honors. Luna Duchesne May C. with high honors. Malparta Marilyn S. with honors. Malones Jovian A. with honors. Mascolino Rizzi P. with honors. Molina Shename N. with honors. Morata Jessamine S. with honors. Novales Mayan S. with honors. Panushar Teres Nancy C. with honors. Pilarta Jardine A. with high honors. Hinado Precious Agent A. with honors. Sanchez Maria N. L. with honors. Sultan Congratulations.
Donald Christian Uriel C. For one, Rizal Y. For one, Mariel A. Corpineta, Christian L. For Hannah Mary D.
School, Zara Quezon.
Mana? Oh, ayan, shout out.
Shifters! Mula dito sa Harapan! We love Ay mga garap sa vlog! Ay mga garap sa vlog!
Ayan, pauwi na kami mga kaibigan. Tapos na ang graduation.
Thank you, Joe Hermes. Now it's your turn. Joe Christian. Okay, Joe.
Ay, Mama, shout out! Del Gariba with dollars. Ay, sa mga kalit na likasa o ano. Ay, Mama, mo sa mga dali para radyo plan mo. Ay, Mama, mo sa mga dali para ay, marami ko pera ay buta ni ka.